Ever wondered that 3/4 of the world's megacities are by the sea? Do you also know that more than 70% of planet is water? Sea, as we all know, is an important element for the lives on Earth, and we humans since long have been totally dependent on sea for our various needs. Food, life, trade, logistics, life cycle, etc. today seem impossible without sea and seacoast. Along with humans, many other species and animals are dependent on sea. Hence, it is important and mandatory for us to conserve sea and coastal habitation to maintain our ecosystem. Coastal life has its own varieties in habitats, life, etc. Mangroves, coral reefs, fishes, turtles, and many other sea animals form an ecosystem which contribute to our food cycle and in many ways is connected with land species. Mangroves, also known as tsunami soldiers, are the basic most important habitats we have in coastal area. Mangrove is a habitat which is home to many plants, animals, and organisms. It plays an important role in coastal habitation and also is a natural shield to natural catastrophes.
Mangroves are an essential part of the coastal ecosystem. Many animals are dependent on the same. Year by year, we have witnessed a huge depletion in mangroves. Different animals which are dependent solely on mangroves are facing the problems and are heavily endangered. Also commonly known as tsunami soldiers, they prevent soil erosion from the seawater and protect the land species from floods and tsunamis.
Mangrove being an important part has not been realized well by us, and henceforth year by year for the land development this natural shield is depleted and chopped down by us. We have innumerable living species on this planet in many different forms. Of them, in coastal species we are well aware of sea turtles which form an important part of marine food cycle. There are many species of sea turtles found across the world, and of them, 2 species are found here in Madhapur area of Gujarat's coastal belt. Olive ridley and green sea turtles are the kinds we find here. Year by year, we have seen that these species are on the verge of extinction and fall under Schedule 1 animals of the Marine Protection Act. Many human activities such as illegal fishing, tourist footfall, affect the life cycle of these turtles.
The major reason behind depletion of turtles is the rise in boats and ships. Oil spill, pollution, illegal fishing, etc. affect the population of sea turtles. Human activities on beaches which are home to these vulnerable species affect their life. Female turtles who are born on a particular coast come and bury their eggs on the same shore. This unique characteristic makes Madhapur an attraction to many turtles. The baby turtle when born runs for the sea, judging the route by the light which guides him. However, human lights on the coastal areas do distract them and they lose their track to jungles and also become prey to wild animals near the coastal areas. It is said that out of every 1,000 turtles, only one lives a life till maturity. Also, temperature plays an important role in gender of the newborn turtle. Higher temperature leads to birth of female turtles, affecting the sex ratio in the same.
Another important element in the coastal ecosystem and also in our daily lives are fishes. Along with being our food, they are also helpful to us and nature in many ways, and hence it is important to preserve them.
I am a fisherman from Port Banda. This coast is home to many species of fishes and we have a large market of fishes over here. This occupation has been a tradition since my forefathers' time and we all are solely dependent on fishes. Since last few years, we have seen a huge fall in variety of fishes we catch. Due to rising pollution, we have witnessed that many sea fishes have gone deep into the sea.
Due to activities like pollution, fishing, shipping, ballast water release, etc., we have been witnessing a huge deterioration in the species and also the population of the fishes. And due to rapid industrialization, the well-known maternity centers for fishes, that is corals, have been depleting in numbers, leading to huge drop in species and population of the same.
I am a fish worker since last 50 years. I am into this business since I was 10 years old. Today, we earn comparatively less now with the decreasing amount of fishes inside the sea. Our men go to catch the fishes, for which they spend nearly 2 to 3 lakhs of rupees, but many times they come with very less fishes and we sell whatever we.
On the other hand, there is a positive light where we see the efforts by us on the problems our coast is facing. Government has been preserving the mangroves under the Marine Protection Act, and many territories fall under the protected areas which are conserved by the government.
Mangroves have been listed in marine protected areas and strict industrial laws have been implemented for conservation of corals. Jamnagar Marine National Park has been a conserver of mangroves, and it is an effort by the Forest Department which has been fruitful.
Wildlife Board has also provided a center where endangered turtles are nestled and taken care of till the time they get fit to go by their own in the sea.
Government has started taking care of these turtles, and there are centers set up specially to conserve them. Turtles' eggs in these centers are nestled and hatched and released only when they are fit enough to get in the sea. In Gujarat, Madhavpur is privileged to have a conservation center, and there are many more across India.
Even after these steps, we've been constantly failing in our attempts to totally bail us out of these coastal problems. Many factors are still hampering our process of conservation and making the going tough for all of us and imbalancing our lives further. Our activities have made us vulnerable to catastrophes and natural calamities, and also we are facing shortage in food year after year. Now is the time that we shall act and give our best in maintaining the balance on the coastal areas, and the fruit shall reap in the years to come.